Hey guys, so I'm going to show you really quick how to add an image or a file into Schoology. That way it's all in one place. So there's two ways you can do it. You can click on Add Materials and add a file or a link. And you'll click on Add File. You'll attach the file from wherever it's saved on your computer. And when you do that, it's going to show up like this. And you'll click Add. And I've already done it, so what it's going to show is this. This is how it's going to upload. The other way that you can do it is you can click on Add Materials, and you're going to add an assignment. And with this, you're going to click on this icon called Insert Content. And when you insert the content, you can either do the same thing. You can add it as an image or a media, and the picture will actually show up in the text box. And if you want, I'm going to show you real quick. That way you guys know what it's supposed to look like. So for example, I'll just do this one. And see, it shows up like this in the text box. But the other way that you can do it is if you have it in your Google Drive, you're going to just click on Google Drive. You're going to click on whatever it is that you want to import, and you're going to click on Import Embed. And what that's going to do is it's going to show up like my meet and greet presentation down here. So hopefully this video gives you guys a better understanding of how to upload your images on Schoology for your assignment.